The dung beetle periodically returns to its nest to ensure everything is secure. At the end of its carefully constructed tunnel lies the fruit of its labor, its mate and precious dung balls, safeguarded against the ever-present threats of theft and intrusion. Despite this seemingly fortified haven, the beetle knows better than to let its guard down. And for good reason. Any lapse in vigilance could lead to rivals sneaking in, or even mating with its partner. Life in the world of dung beetles is a constant battle of strategy and endurance, where males with formidable horns clash over control of dung and the privilege of mating. They build their nests near or directly beneath dung piles, ensuring their primary material is always within reach. Deep within the nest, the female beetle is tirelessly at work. Her mission is to mold perfect dung balls that will nourish the next generation. The unmistakable scent of fresh dung wafts through the air, enticing females to emerge from their subterranean chambers. To guard against opportunistic thieves, the males carefully stash their newest collections in temporary storage chambers near the entrance for quick retrieval. In just one night, a determined female can transport an extraordinary amount of dung, up to 250 times her body weight, more than enough to sustain her egg-laying efforts. Before mating, the male patiently waits for the female to complete her dung balls, ensuring everything is ready for the next stage of their collaboration. But the natural world is never without surprises. On occasion, what appears to be a harmless female beetle approaches, only for a small horn to reveal its true identity. A rival male employing the art of deception. This clever gender mimicry is a remarkable survival strategy. Showcasing the intricate tactics woven into the lives of these tenacious creatures. Inside the tunnel, the female diligently prepares her dung balls, each serving as a life-sustaining cradle for her offspring. The carefully rolled balls are stored securely, and within each, a single egg is laid, a nutrient-rich nursery that ensures the larvae have everything they need to grow. But life outside the tunnel is fraught with danger. Predators lurk, each presenting unique challenges. For a dung beetle, the safest strategy is often to play dead, a simple yet effective defense. However, not all predators are deterred so easily. The African bullfrog, dog, with its voracious appetite and lightning-fast reflexes, hunts anything it can swallow. Creatures in the world relies on its unparalleled sense of smell to locate even the most And then there are the unexpected enemies, the plants. Among the cleverest is the silverwood lampgrass, a master of deception. This plant mimics the appearance and odor of dung, tricking beetles into transporting its seeds. Even the smell is similar to the dung beetle's favorite droppings. And the dung beetles were finally fooled. Was a fake. Once buried in the soft, moist sand, meant for preserving dung balls, the seeds begin to sprout, leaving the beetle with no choice but to abandon the counterfeit ball. It's a cunning symbiosis, with the plant using the beetle as an unwitting accomplice in its propagation. Despite the constant threats, dung beetles are not merely victims. Some species have evolved predatory behaviors, forming unlikely alliances to secure food. When a millipede becomes their target, venomous beetles attack, immobilizing and pre-digesting the prey. The dung beetle waits patiently on the sidelines, ready to claim its share. These opportunistic tactics ensure survival in a world where resources are scarce and competition fierce. From fierce battles over dung to outsmarting predators and rivals, the dung beetle's life is an extraordinary saga of resilience, ingenuity, and adaptation. These unassuming insects are not just scavengers, but vital architects of their ecosystems, recycling waste and nurturing new life. In their relentless quest to survive and thrive, dung beetles demonstrate the profound interconnectedness of the natural world. A reminder that even the smallest creatures play a role in the grand design of life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on another video.